Hi, I'm Grace. How much do you know about choosing a bra that fits? After all, the right size bra will give you a great shape, boost your confidence, and make any outfit look amazing. Everyone has their own way of putting on a bra, but once on, it's important that firstly, you scoop your breast from the underarm so everything's inside the wire. Next, smooth the bust across the top with 2 fingers so everything's in place. Finally, ensure the straps are firm but not too tight, and you're good to go. Regarding the cup area, there should be no wrinkling or space in the cup. The cups of your bra should hug the breast. Come a bit closer to see how it should look. See, it's nice and snug. The cups are smooth, with no bulges above or to the sides of the cup. All of the breast tissue sits inside the cup. If your breast is spilling out like this, then a larger cup size is needed. If there's too much cup, however, and there's loose fabric, then try going down a cup size. Stand in front of the mirror with your arms above your head. Your bra should stay in place and the underband shouldn't ride up or be too tight. It should stay firmly in place, just like mine. If your underband is too loose, then the back will ride up. Like this. The wires should sit close to the chest. There should be no bulging under the arm or neck edge. As you can see, the wires of my bra are sitting nice and close to the chest. But if, like her, your wires dig in under your arm, sit on your breast tissue, or stand away at the centre front, then you could try a larger cup size. It's the difference between feeling like this and feeling like this. Let's take a look at the straps. You can alter the length of your straps using the adjusters at the back. Ensure the straps are firm, but not too tight. There are several different bra styles. The full cup offers a nice rounded shape whilst giving full coverage and support. The balconette bra. Like a full cup bra, the balconette offers you a great rounded shape with a lower neck edge and slightly less coverage. The t-shirt bra. A t-shirt bra will offer you a great everyday option, giving you a smooth silhouette underneath your clothing. The plunge bra. The plunge bra enhances your natural shape while staying discreet under your outfit. The strapless bra, a staple in every wardrobe, great for party dresses in the summer season.